This is the project demonstration of Coderscolab. In this video, I'll be guiding you how we can create an account in Coderscolab and use its features. So basically, this is the landing page of Coderscolab website. In here, we have different sections for our informations. We have two options, one is register and the other one is login. This is the registration page. We can use our email address to register and we can choose any username that we want to use. Let's say I want to create a username with John Wick, and I can provide an email for now, john@gmail.com. The functionality of email verification is not yet implemented. The password, I can use any password that I want to use. I can see the password as well. Now I can click on this register, that account will be created. Otherwise, I can use this continue with Google button that will allow me to create or sign in with my Gmail account. This functionality will work perfectly fine if you have a Gmail account. I've already used this functionality. So first of all, let me just register it with a normal account. I can save this. So I'm logged in as John Wick. Now this is the dashboard where we have profile, sessions, and the bookings, payments, and the blogs page. So basically right now we don't have any thing created, so we'll be setting up first our profile, in which I can simply put my full name. Let's say John Wick. I can put the DOB, let's say this. I can add a simple demo short description. I can tell something about myself. I am a full stack developer at Microsoft. I can put any address for now. Let's say I can put the domain in which I'm working. For now I'm choosing web development. I can put my skills as I want. Let's say I have the skills such as Java, Spring Boot, PHP, HTML, CSS, React.js, Angular. So I have these skills. Similarly, I can add the social media links that I want. First, I can place any GitHub link that I want to add. Let me just place this demo link here. I can add another social media link by clicking on that. I can choose for which this social media link is for. For example, if it is for GitHub, so I can select this GitHub here. So it will be treated as a GitHub link, but this is a LinkedIn link, so I'll be using that. It is a GitHub link, so I want to provide a GitHub link, so I can use that. Let me just place that here. / let's say, so I can use this one. So these two links are added. I can also delete them if I want. That will work. After adding all these things, I can also go to the account field and I can add the phone number that I want to use. Let's say I'm using this phone number. I can choose the password to update if I want to update the password, so I can put that here, the updated password. In the settings I can select the time zone in which I'll be working. So let's say I want to work in, for example, I can choose any timeline I want. Where's the Indian one? So let me just select this US and Canada, PST. I want to sell in US dollars, so I'll be selecting that. Then I can press on this save changes button, and my profile changes will be saved in the database successfully. I can also update and change my picture I want. I can add any username as well. So what this username will do is it will allow me to create a separate profile for me. So let's say if I have this, let me just add any demo image for now. Let's say I can use any image. It's not here. For now I can select any image. Let's say I have this, not in this. I can select any image. For now let's say I'm selecting this image, so I can upload that. That image will be uploaded and that will be added. If I click on this save changes, that should save my changes. I can see in both the places I have this image. This is how we can create the profile in Coderscolab. In the next video I'll be guiding you how you can create separate sessions. Let's see our default profile now, the profile page which is being created or which is already created by this Coderscolab. So as we'll be working on on our profile, as we will be completing our profile, the details will be filled in this page, in the separate page. So this is basically our profile page in which we can list out all the sessions we provide and all the things, all the services which we'll be providing. So you can see we have this coderscolab.com, and then after that I have my username. So in this place, this is my profile and I have my skills listed out. Right now I don't have any kind of I don't have any sessions created, so it is not showing that. So in the next video I'll be guiding you how you can create sessions in Coderscolab website. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. We can log out if you want by going into the home, and I can again log in to see if all the things are perfectly fine or not. Yeah, so everything is fine. You can see that. I can also change the username if I want. Let's say if I want to add a different username, so I can use that. Make sure you don't add spaces in between them. It will not take spaces by default. Let's say if I try to add spaces, so first it will find that as well, but we cannot add spaces. You don't have to add spaces. John Wick is fine for now, I think. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you got something. Let's meet in the next video.